His dad was a miner and his granddad was too. There was never much question about what he might do. By the age of 13 he had laid down his pen and become a coal miner and a prince among men. My goal as a young lad from a bright early age was to follow my hero down in that cage. Fairy lights and pit ponies were the stuff of my dreams, never thinking how hard my dad worked at the scene. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. Dad worked like a Trojan, his money to save. I'm afraid that he worked himself into his grave, and my schooling was paid for at the cost of his lung. Dad was an old man at the age of 41. I never will forget how his face lit with pride. When I got my diploma, he was there by my side, and I tried to remember him as he was then, a rare moment of joy for a prince among men. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell. An old watch and chain inscribed James Doyle never seemed much reward for a life of such toil. But I keep his lamp burning and his old Union card, and his bones rest here in this sunlit graveyard. My dad was a miner and a prince among men, well loved by his wife and his family and friends, and his hardship and toil gave me the one chance I had, and generations of slavery died with my dad. Only a miner killed under the ground, only a miner and one more is found. Killed by accident, no one can tell. Your mining's all over, poor miner, farewell.